Welcome to this tutorial for how to build an interactive dashboard in Google Sheets. There are 5 sections to this tutorial. This is the first section tutorial video which builds the Section 01 worksheet. After completing this case, you will be able to 1. Create and format pivot tables and charts. 2. Create a slicer to filter pivot table data. 3. Build an interactive dashboard in Google Sheets. 4. Analyze sales data using the dashboard. Open the Google Sheets data file as provided by your instructor. Click the Add Sheet button. Double-click on the New Sheet tab. Rename the sheet Dashboard. Navigate to the data sheet. Click on Data in the ribbon. In the drop-down menu, click on Pivot Table. In the Create Pivot Table dialog box that appears, click Existing Sheet, then type Dashboard A35. Finally, click Create. A pivot table will appear in cell A35 on the dashboard sheet. Notice the pivot table editor on the right of the screen. We will use the pivot table editor to build the pivot table. In the pivot table editor, click the Add button next to Rows. In the drop-down menu, click Market. Click the Add button to the Rows again. In the drop-down menu, click Product Line. Click the Add button next to Values. In the drop-down menu, click Sales Revenue. Google Sheets returns the count of sales revenue. We need to change it to the sum of sales revenue. Click on the down arrow next to Count A for sales revenue. In the drop-down menu, click on Sum. Deselect the Show Totals boxes for Market and Product Line. Under Product Line, change the order to descending and change the sort by to Sum of Sales Revenue. Click in cell A35 and hit Control-C or Command-C for Mac users to copy the pivot table. Then navigate to cell E35 and hit Control-V or Command-V for Mac users to paste the pivot table. Click in cell E35 to be sure you are working in the new pivot table. In the pivot table editor, click the X next to Product Line to delete it. Click Add next to Rows. In the drop-down menu, click on Period Ending Date. Then deselect the Show Totals box for Period Ending Date. Now we need to change the period ending dates to year and quarter. Right-click in cell F36 in the second pivot table. In the drop-down menu, click Create Pivot Date Group. In the next drop-down menu, click Year Quarter. Next, we will change the formatting of the sales revenue amounts. Select all the column C cells in the first pivot table containing sales revenue amounts. Click Format in the ribbon. In the drop-down menu, click Number. In the next drop-down menu, click More Formats. In the next drop-down menu, click Custom Number Format. In the Custom Number Formats dialog box, type greater than 999,999 right bracket 0.00 comma slash m semicolon bracket greater than 999 right bracket 0.00 comma slash k semicolon 0. Then click Apply. You can also copy that from the PDF notes for this slide. Google Sheets will remember this custom number format and you will not need to type it again. Select the column G cells in the second pivot table containing sales revenue amounts. Click Format in the ribbon. In the drop-down menu, click Number. In the second drop-down menu, click the custom number format that you created in the last step. So that is it for the first section of this tutorial. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Sell-Tietz. Have a great day.